Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoom audio issue on Android. So when you are have a problem with the audio when you're starting meeting online with Zoom, you can set your audio here, join audio, Wi-Fi, cellular or data just while using this app. And now your speaker is on, so you can mute or unmute here. And also there is another way. Here, as you can see, it means your speaker is active. And there is another way how to fix it. You can end the meeting. You can give app permission. Hold the Zoom and tap on app info. And here we go. You can manage permission in here. Scroll down and allow microphone here. Allow only while using this app. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.